So this is the under table treadmill or under desk treadmill in action.
I don't know. He walking. I don't think you're gonna be able to get the video while he in anything like that. He ain't got no clothes on.
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, I mean, it's like saying you have to get used to it because, like saying, you gotta find your equilibrium in it. So, out of comfortability.
The dial is easy to read. It's automatically set for 30 minutes. You feel like your feet is hitting the front?
In a sense, it ain't really that's how I be when I be at a regular treadmill though too. That just mean you gotta step, let it come back some more on the board. Probably speed up because you're trying to walk faster.
And what do you have it set at?
3. We can go through the dial. That's this distance. I done went over a quarter of a mile. It's counting down, telling me what I can do within that 30-minute range. I done burnt 21.6 calories. Speed is set at 3. Okay. It showed when I was adjusting it and trying to get it to roll, I took it to a 6 to see how I look on the 6. It go fast. I'm just at a 3 though. This is a 3 though, meaning in the walk.
So it's a even, steady pace?
I mean, yeah. I'm saying that I think the best part is that you can store it away up under something instead of having a treadmill that's out and got to be sitting somewhere out all the time. You can store this,
set it up underneath the table.
Under a table, under a bed.
And it does have a power cord. That's the power cord that goes to it.
Plug it into it, you get like the remote.
And
you got to make sure it's somewhere for the remote to stay onto it. It's the remote. I'm saying my feet is hitting this sometimes, but you saying my feet hit that when I'm at it on the regular treadmill. That ain't really no different.
So
I'm saying it's narrow, like, you know what I'm saying. This gives you more. I'm saying that it could be more dangerous than regular because treadmills is bigger. But I'm saying if you're trying to train for your equilibrium,
there are no side rails. So
no side rails.
So quality wise.
This ain't bad quality though. I like the wood grain on it too.
The structure?
Structure is pretty smooth, easy store away.
Would you say that it's a very sound quality piece of equipment? Is it worth the money?
How much a regular treadmill cost?
I'm not sure how much a regular, like probably no less than 8 to 1,000.
At the end of the day, you could probably travel with this motor too though.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Is it heavy?
Not for real. I mean, it ain't as heavy as I thought it would be. It got a little weight to it. But most of the part, if you're in the house, you just rolling. It got wheels.
Okay.
So you ain't got to pick it up. You just pick the back up.
Oh, yeah, you can see the wheels.
Back up. Back up.
Okay. So overall, 5 stars? 4 stars? 4 stars.
Back up, JJ.